Today, I've got the brand new Sony a6400. Syed here, and this is Sony's new aps-c mirrorless camera. It's got a brand new flip-up touchscreen, a new autofocus feature which is supposed to be super fast, real-time tracking, and also no record limit for 4K video. Now, let's see what's inside the box. All right, let's take a look around this box. Pretty small, Sony a6400. aps-c, 24.2 megapixels, ISO 100 to 32,000, real-time eye autofocus, real-time tracking, silent shooting, and touch controls. Got some paperwork. We will throw this away. Camera itself. Pretty hefty feeling. So this comes with a kit lens on it, which is 16 to 50 millimeters. What else do we got in the box? We've got our shoulder strap. Very nice. Viewfinder eyepiece, charging brick. Nope, sorry, this is the battery. Charging brick and micro USB cable. No USB-C here, kind of sucks. That's okay. Let's stick the battery in. This goes in just like that. Battery is in. Take the lens cap off. And we're on. All right, feels pretty nice. Go ahead and turn this off for a second. I've also got the Sony zoom lens here, 55 to 210 millimeters. Open this up. Not too much in here other than the lens, I suspect. Yep, just got the zoom lens. We'll test that out later. Looking at the camera itself, on the back, we've got the flip-up touchscreen so you can monitor yourself as you record video or take selfies, which is obviously very useful. If you do use the hot shoe on top for a shotgun mic, you're going to be blocking this, so you'll probably need to get some type of cage for the camera to move that mic somewhere else. On the front, we've got the Sony E-mount. This is the kit lens, 16 to 50 millimeters. That came with the camera. Standard buttons on top and on the back. We've got your, I assume your charging with micro USB and your mic input as well as HDMI on the left side. Bottom is where we have the battery, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to switch over and record with this camera and we'll see what difference it makes. Okay, so I've switched over to the Sony a6400, so hopefully you guys have noticed a big jump in picture quality. Let me show you what I was filming with before. This is the Canon EOS 6D. Excellent for photography, not very good for film. It only shoots in 1080p and it's a little bit old. Manual focusing on this thing was a huge pain, so I'm glad to retire it. That's all I've got for you guys this time. If you like what you see, bite that subscribe button, and if you want, check out some of these other videos.